Hi, I'm Brandy Deichert, Director of Instructional Design at Mercury Performance Group. Today, let's dive into the art of designing training materials that captivate and engage your learners. To create engaging materials, think multimedia. Incorporate videos, animations, and graphics to break down complex concepts. Gamification can boost motivation. Integrate quizzes, challenges, and rewards to turn learning into a fun journey. Real-world scenarios connect theory to practice, which helps learners relate better and retain information longer. Interactive elements like clickable buttons and drag-and-drop activities encourage participation. Transform text-heavy pages into engaging infographics. Visuals simplify complex data and enhances understanding. Embrace collaboration. Online discussions, group projects, and peer learning fosters a sense of community. So remember, designing engaging training materials is about creating a dynamic learning experience that resonates with your audience. I'm Brandy Deichert from Mercury Performance Group. Together, let's elevate your training programs. If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our channel and click the bell for more insights on effective instructional design.